today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a copy link for Google Docs. This process is quite straightforward and involves only a few easy steps. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open up the Google Doc that you're planning to share. Once you've got your document open, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find a lock icon. This is where all the magic begins. Click on that lock icon. What this does is bring up your sharing settings. By default, you might see that the setting is restricted, meaning only specific people can view it. But what we want to do here is broaden the accessibility. You'll want to change it from restricted to anyone with the link. This setting allows anyone who has the link to access the document, regardless of whether their role is viewer, commenter, or editor. You have the freedom to choose any of these roles based on the level of access you're willing to grant. But for our purpose, the viewer role works perfectly. With the sharing settings adjusted, click on the Copy Link button and then hit Done. Now it's time to do a little tweaking with this link. Open up a notepad or any platform where you can temporarily paste the link. We need to make a slight adjustment here. Once you've pasted the link somewhere editable, locate the part of the link that includes the word Edit. This is typically found towards the end of the link. What you need to do is replace the word Edit with Copy. Now your link is all set to be shared. Whenever someone clicks on this new link, they'll be led to a page specifically asking them if they want to make a copy of your document. This means they'll have their own version to edit and use as they see fit without altering your original document. It's a fantastic way to distribute templates, forms, or any document where you'd like others to have their individualized copy without the worry of them altering the master file. And just like that, you've learned how to create a copy link for Google Docs. It's incredibly useful for educators, teams working collaboratively, or anyone looking to share documents seamlessly. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this information helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from this handy little trick. Happy sharing.